Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. I recently discovered an application that allows you to create widgets on your iOS home screen that feeds news articles directly from a variety of different sources. Now, if you're like me and like to keep on top of what's going on in the world, whether it's news, sport, tech, or the latest articles from your favourite website, then having widgets that can target these individual sources can be a real help. Now, the application is called Headlines. I really like it and I want to show you briefly how it works. It's simple but effective. So let's check it out. Okay, I've downloaded Headlines already. So it is a free download and there is a subscription that you can take out for more features. Now I'm going to open it here for the first time and come down to the settings section. Because what I want to do, I just want to tap on this Headlines Plus subscription to show you the features that come with it as well as the current pricing. So the pricing can be done on a monthly, yearly or lifetime model with the UK pricing clearly shown here. Now, if you're unsure whether this application is for you, then of course you can have a free 1-week trial. Just remember to cancel it, obviously, if you decide it's not for you. And what do you get with it? Well, the list is here and the most important one is arguably the top one. And the free version does give you access to just one feed. So to leverage the whole point of the app, which is different widgets for different sources or topics, then you do really need to take the subscription out. You also get tags. You can configure it so that if an article has a particular keyword, then the article will be hidden, you won't see it. And you can translate articles into other languages. And of course, you get to support an indie developer, but only if you can, of course. Okay, I'm going to pause. I'm going to take out a subscription here on this demo account that I use and come back.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.